So this is interesting software. AI, yep, that word again, that automatically fixes videos and images. So you've got a video that might be pixelated, the resolution might be down, it might need the color correcting, maybe it's got damages or scratches on the screen. You upload the video to AI Images and it improves it. I'm not saying it makes it perfect. It improves it by the power of AI so that you don't have to. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? Now, we're going to mainly go through this sort of review by looking at some examples on their website. The reason being, I have not got images apart from me talking to camera like this. Yes, they probably need improving as well. No, but I've not got old grainy images, and I don't want to start downloading videos off YouTube and then be worrying that I'm going to get in trouble by using anyone else's stuff. So we'll have a look at their website, but this does look very exciting. The reason I'm bringing you this video is there is a good deal on at the moment. Have a look at the link in the description of this video and make sure you always try and get the best deal. Hopefully it's through my link. Okay, so let's jump in and let's have a look at AI Images. And this is the screen I got to at the start, and I thought, I've not got any videos to upload, but you can see that you upload the videos here, and then it'll show you the enhanced videos there, or all the videos that are in progress. And you can try this for yourself, because you get 5 credits to try it yourself. So rather than me going through everything, why don't you give it a try yourself? But let's just have a look at their website and see some of the examples. And obviously then I suggest you click that Enhance Now button, try it for yourself and see what it does with your footage. But you can see some of the things that are playing now, and this is impressive, isn't it? Different sources here. You've got noise reduction. This is what it's doing on this. On this one, the dropout reduction. So look, if you look on the other video on the left, it's got lots of fuzzy bits. Here's it's doing 4x4 upscaling. And if you look, it is impressive. More upscaling here from the blurry image to a really clear image. Wow. Colour, restoration of an old film. So it looks, it's doing this all by AI. And here's a film source where the old source has got scratches and it takes out the dirt and the scratches. Good stuff. So let's have a look at a few more examples here, but what they are doing, they are using GPU enhanced cloud servers. So their processing power is way bigger than we could have on our desktop at home, but also the power of the AI is doing it without you having to think what needs to be improved. So let's have a look at a couple of examples here on the screen. Now, if you want to go onto their website and check these out and look at them full screen on YouTube, you can, but you can probably see the improvements there on the right, quite big improvements. You can see it's so much more clear on that picture. Let's pause that one. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, you can see on the one on the right, much clearer. Another one that's been enhanced. Some weird videos here. Let's have a look. Go and have a look on their website. That looks probably, the one on the right looks like a modern day HD image from something that's blurry on the left. You might not see it on this video. And the last one, let's have a look at the difference. Yeah, much clearer again. You can see the difference. All right. So just a quick little video there. I just wanted you to see it because, as I say, I found a decent offer on it. Their website is aiimages.ai. Have a look at what it can do. You get 5 free tries to upload your videos. Some of the stuff is very impressive that it's doing there, but I want you to test it for yourself before you commit to buying it because, you know, hopefully the results are as good as they are on the website. And as I say, if you click on the link in the description of this video, there is a good deal on it. It's AI Images, and if it does what it shows on their website, and if you restore or have old footage you need to improve, then it could be a fantastic little tool for you. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Not going to say sorry that I've not done a full review of it. I just wanted to show you that. Quite impressive.